Welcome to this deep dive summary of the Pomodoro Technique by Francesco Cirillo, a simple yet powerful method that has transformed how people manage their time and boost productivity around the world. Let's explore how a tomato-shaped kitchen timer became the key to conquering procrastination and increasing focus. Introduction: the birth of the Pomodoro. In the late 1980s, a university student named Francesco Cirillo was struggling to focus on his studies. Distracted and overwhelmed, he challenged himself to concentrate for just 10 minutes, using a tomato-shaped kitchen timer, or Pomodoro in Italian. To his surprise, the short burst of focused work helped. This moment sparked what would become the Pomodoro Technique, a time management method rooted in simplicity, flow, and self-awareness. Chapter 1: Why Time Management Fails. Cirillo begins by explaining why traditional time management systems often fail. They're too rigid, too complex, or ignore human psychology. People underestimate how easily we get distracted or fatigued. Instead of fighting against time, Cirillo proposes that we work with it, embracing short, focused intervals that refresh our energy rather than deplete it. Lesson: productivity isn't about doing more. It's about doing what matters, with full attention. Chapter 2: The Core of the Pomodoro Technique. The Pomodoro Technique is built on a simple cycle. 1. Choose a task. 2. Set a timer for 25 minutes, 1 Pomodoro. 3. Work without interruption. 4. Take a 5-minute break. 5. After 4 Pomodoros, take a longer break, 15-30 minutes. This cycle creates urgency without pressure and builds rhythm into your day. Lesson: small bursts of work sharpen focus and reduce mental fatigue. Chapter 3: Planning the Day with Pomodoros. Planning your tasks in terms of Pomodoros helps you avoid unrealistic expectations. Cirillo recommends making a to-do today list each morning. Tasks should be broken into manageable units. If a task takes more than 5 to 7 Pomodoros, break it down. If it takes less than 1 Pomodoro, combine it with others. Lesson: planning in Pomodoros makes your day measurable and achievable. Chapter 4: Recording and Tracking Progress. Tracking each Pomodoro completed helps you build a productivity log. Use tick marks for each Pomodoro and mark interruptions, both internal and external. Over time, you'll learn how long specific tasks take and identify patterns in your workflow. Lesson: measurement leads to awareness, and awareness leads to improvement. Chapter 5: Dealing with Interruptions. Cirillo divides interruptions into 2 types. Internal interruptions: urges to check the phone, browse, or switch tasks. External interruptions: calls, messages, or people asking for help. The technique teaches the inform, negotiate, schedule, callback strategy to handle external interruptions politely. Internally, simply note the urge and return to focus. Lesson: mastering interruptions is key to maintaining momentum. Chapter 6: Estimating Effort and Increasing Accuracy. After using Pomodoros consistently, you start predicting how many Pomodoros each task will take. Cirillo encourages tracking your accuracy and gradually becoming better at estimating. This builds realistic scheduling habits and reduces the anxiety of large tasks. Lesson: estimating time empowers you to manage expectations and deadlines. Chapter 7: Enhancing Focus and Reducing Mental Fatigue. Pomodoros help train your brain for deep focus. Frequent short breaks protect your attention span and prevent burnout. Over time, you'll find it easier to enter a state of flow. Cirillo emphasizes that rest is not laziness. It's a fundamental part of performance. Lesson: short breaks are essential for sustained concentration. Chapter 8: Setting Goals and Reviewing Performance. The Pomodoro Technique encourages weekly reviews to identify what's working and where time is being lost. You can refine your goals, cut unnecessary tasks, and improve your workflow. It's not just about doing tasks. It's about doing the right tasks efficiently. Lesson: continuous reflection and adjustment boost long-term productivity. Chapter 9: Applying Pomodoro in Teams and Complex Projects. While the technique started as a personal tool, it scales well in teams. Cirillo suggests using shared Pomodoro boards, aligning breaks, and maintaining accountability. For large projects, Pomodoros keep the team grounded in small, steady progress. Lesson: the Pomodoro Technique builds collective momentum when used in groups. Chapter 10: Building the Pomodoro Habit. Cirillo concludes by encouraging readers to commit to the technique for a few days. As you experience more clarity and control, the method becomes second nature. It's not a magic trick. It's a discipline. But once it's embedded, it becomes one of the most reliable tools in your productivity toolbox. Lesson: consistency, not perfection, is the secret to mastering time. Final takeaways: why it works. The Pomodoro Technique works because it aligns with how our brains operate. We're not machines, we're human. With focused intervals, planned breaks, and awareness of time, we can transform how we work and live. It teaches us to respect time, reduce stress, and find joy in progress. Conclusion: whether you're a student, a creative, or a busy professional, the Pomodoro Technique offers a simple and powerful way to reclaim control over your time. Remember, one Pomodoro at a time. Focus, rest, repeat. If you found this summary helpful, consider trying it out for just one day and feel the difference yourself.